All right, folks, today we're going to be changing a headlight in a Honda Fit. So let's jump in here. So this is our headlight right here, and it is right behind here. There's a couple steps to this process. First, you have to pull this straight back. Boom. That's our connector. Comes straight back. Then we have to remove this rubber seal right here. Now it is tight around the bulb, but it'll pop out. You got to pull all the way around it to get that to pop out. Then the tricky part of this is there is a little wire tab right here, and you have to push down and take it off the little hook, just like so. Then the bulb slides right out. Now when you're changing a bulb, don't touch the glass part. Use rubber gloves if you have to do that, but that's the bulb right here. And then real quick, I'll show you how to put it back in. So I'm gonna put the bulb actually right there for a second and get my alignment right. One thing to note is right up there on the top, you can see these three little spines that stick out right there and right there. This is the top right here. So the orientation in the light needs to be like this. If you try to flip it up, it won't go in right. So make sure it's oriented like this as you're putting it in. So I'm holding it in place. We're going to take our hook, and it's kind of hard to see, but you have to push in and hook it. So the movement is push down and over to hook it into place. And the bulb should be secure in there. Then we take our cover, and the cover slides over the bulb there. And then we take our plug, make sure you have this oriented correctly, and that pushes onto there. And that's how you install the light. There will be a description to this bulb in the description, or there'll be a link to this bulb in the description. So if you need it, go grab it. And that's how you change a light bulb on a 2012 Honda Fit. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.